This is Operational Manager Todd Nardoni for TNW News, coming to you live from the Operations Center, which remains at a level 4 operational status, with your morning update on Tropical Storm Elsa for Thursday, July 8th, 2021. Remember to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and YouTube for the latest on Tropical Storm Elsa as it continues to move along the U.S. coastline. Let's get started.
Elsa moves into North Carolina. Heavy rains continue. A tropical storm warning is in effect for South Santee River, South Carolina, to Sandy Hook, New Jersey, Pamlico and Albemarle Sounds, Chesapeake Bay south of North Beach and the tidal Potomac south of Cobb Island, Delaware Bay south of Slaughter Beach, Long Island from East Rockaway Inlet to the eastern tip along the south shore and from Port Jefferson Harbor eastward on the north shore, New Haven, Connecticut to Merrimack River, Massachusetts including Cape Cod, Block Island, Martha's Vineyard, and Nantucket. Tropical storm conditions are expected over portions of the North Carolina coast today, and along the mid-Atlantic coast by this afternoon and evening. These winds will spread northward in the warning area over the northeastern states by Friday and Friday night. For storm information specific to your area in the United States, including possible inland watches and warnings, please monitor products issued by your local National Weather Service Forecast Office. www.weather.gov. At 11 a.m. EDT, the center of Tropical Storm Elsa was located inland over North Carolina, about 80 miles, 125 kilometers southwest of Raleigh. It's moving toward the northeast near 20 miles per hour, 31 kilometers per hour. And this general motion is expected to continue with an increase in forward speed during the next couple of days. On the forecast track, Elsa will move over South Carolina and North Carolina today, pass near the eastern mid-Atlantic states by tonight, and move near or over the northeastern United States on Friday and Friday night. The system should move over Atlantic Canada by Friday night and Saturday. Maximum sustained winds are near 45 miles per hour, 75 kilometers per hour, with higher gusts. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 115 miles, 185 kilometers, from the center. A buoy near Sunset Beach, North Carolina, recently reported a sustained wind of 40 miles per hour, 64 kilometers per hour, gusting to 58 miles per hour, 93 kilometers per hour. Some strengthening is possible tonight and Friday while the system moves close to the northeastern United States. Elsa is forecast to become a post-tropical cyclone by Friday night. Elsa is expected to produce the following rainfall amounts and impacts this week. Across central and eastern North Carolina into southeastern Virginia, and from the mid-Atlantic into New England, 2 to 4 inches of rain with isolated totals up to 6 inches through Friday are possible, which could result in limited to considerable flash and urban flooding, as well as isolated minor river flooding. For the latest rainfall reports and wind gusts associated with Elsa, please visit the following link. https://www.wpc.ncep.noe.gov/discussions/nfdscc5.html. A few tornadoes are possible across the eastern Carolinas into southeast Virginia through this afternoon. The threat for a tornado or two may continue tonight and Friday morning across coastal portions of the mid-Atlantic to southern New England. The next completed advisory will be issued by NHC at 5 p.m. EDT with an intermediate advisory at 2 p.m. EDT. www.hurricanes.gov.
This has been Operational Manager Todd Nardoni with your Tropical Storm Elsa update for July 8th, 2021. As always, remember the intermediate 2 o'clock advisory will be on our social medias, and I will be back live at 5 p.m. with your evening 5 p.m. update. As always, stay safe in North Carolina today. Remember to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, and YouTube for the latest information on Tropical Storm Elsa. See you at 5 p.m. for your next Tropical Storm Elsa update. This has been Operational Manager Todd Nardoni for TNW News.